Now, Leave ShipOwner 520. Everybody, I really listen, everybody's saying now, when are you going to take leave? And about holidays, and about this summer, and so on. Well, this is my reply to you. 34 years here, no leave. Why? I love this job. Is there an issue with that? Do you need to have leave? Come on, go on. Just, could I get the fleet full crew management of your 650 ships today? If not, tomorrow. I work Saturdays and Sundays too. Yes, then no leave. If you do have an issue with the leave, dear ship owner, just pass them ships to me. I'll take care. Candina Group will take care perfectly well. We can do it with Adonis, with the Crew Inspector, with the Mari app. We can do your Oracle. We can do your ShipSure. We can do this software, that software, the other software, the math software. We can do 15 softwares. We have AI systems. We have everything working. Every day we're improving to the new system. We can translate this AI. We have AI systems in Candina. The database is growing to 150,000, not to 200,000. We are growing in Fiji, in India, in Bangladesh, everywhere, in Spain, huge numbers in Algeria if you are trading there. We are making ships with the French language, oui, français, with English. Espanol is 26% more competitive than other nationalities. If you need to have, for example, Cuban and Venezuelan speakers, you don't need to have this US visa requirement, you're trading in Europe, then we can also do that, and we have huge competitive advantages if you want to really have no leave, dear ship owner. If you want to have a leave, enjoy it. But I will not have leave, and I'll be waiting for your tender to improve the talent retention, the software database, the AI systems that we have with Teams, Microsoft. We have AI meetings with agendas and the resume of meetings with Copilot, and we have all these very simple, very efficient, very cost efficient, and when the others have leave, is the best time that I have, and I enjoy having no leave. Thank you. Bye.